morning, folks. Hope you guys are doing well and everything's going good with you. I've been away for a while, but today we are in the beautiful island of Langkawi. We are in a small homestay over here in the middle of the island in a small village. Right behind me you see the Mount Raya or Gunung Raya, which is the biggest mountain on the island, and we are getting ready to go to Tanjung Rhu beach, which is one of the most beautiful beaches on the island. Another famous beach is Chenang Beach. We went there yesterday and it was very commercial, very crowded, so I didn't really enjoy the vibe there. So I'm hoping that the beach that we're going to now is going to be a lot better than what we experienced yesterday. Alright guys, see you there. Okay, so we are at Tanjung Rhu beach already and I have to say it's already a much better beach than Chenang. You see over there we see like a couple of rock islands in the middle, and this is almost like a peninsula. This whole area, it kind of comes out. There is a inlet on the other side with some water. And the fun thing is that as soon as we arrived here, I spotted an eagle here. Actually, there he is. There he is. I don't know if my finger is actually pointing at it or not, but it's right above us. The breeze is amazing. Found a relatively secluded part of the beach, just around the corner, and the water is a bit calmer here, and also it's shaded, so it's not as hot as the other side. Quite nice actually. And then there's a tire in there, in the water, and it's must have been there for a while, so it cut me pretty bad. We got like never the same, never you calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Yes, Betty?
Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Never the same.
It's almost sunset time. We've had a lot of fun here, swimming, just wandering around, flying the drone, and thoroughly enjoyed it. Had a little bit of mishap with getting an injury, but hey, that's part of the game. And the kids are having fun in a tree, those monkeys. So now we're just gonna watch the sunset and then go home. And what a beautiful sunset it is.
Whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my head. I know you want something to say. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going